This video will walk you through the initial setup of your Turfco T3200. Walk around and visually inspect the packaging for any damage. Make sure any damage is notated with the freight carrier. Cut the banding and carefully remove the box. Cut the metal banding securing the machine to the base. Walk around and visually inspect the machine for any damage, leaks, or missing hardware. If the T-Flex 15 tank is installed, the carrier tray and additional pieces will be in a separate box. To remove the T-Flex 15 tank, pull the pins from both sides of the tank. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Using the molded handles, carefully lift out the tank and set it aside for now. Before starting the T3200, be sure to check the engine oil level. Remove the dipstick and wipe with a clean cloth. Insert and tighten the dipstick. Remove the dipstick and check the oil level. It should be at the top of the full indicator on the dipstick. If low, add oil slowly into the engine oil fill. After adding oil, wait 1 minute and then recheck the oil level. Next, check the hydraulic oil reservoir. The level should be at the full cold line. If the reservoir is empty, add 20 W50 motor oil until it reaches the full cold line. The T3200 ships with RV antifreeze in the tanks. We recommend draining from the filter assembly using an empty container as shown. Move the yellow ball valve handle next to the strainer to the closed position. To open the strainer assembly, twist the black cap counterclockwise. Make sure you have a container in place before opening the assembly. With the strainer cap removed, move the ball valve handle to the open position to drain. After rinsing the strainer with clean water, reinstall and tighten cap. Make sure the yellow ball valve handle is in the open position. The T3200 requires a U1 lawn and garden battery. We recommend 300 or higher cold cranking amps. Remove the battery box cover as well as the hardware inside. This hardware will be used to connect the battery cables and secure the battery in place. Set the battery in place and line up the red cable to the positive terminal and the black cable to the negative terminal. Using the provided hardware, attach the red cable to the positive terminal and then the black cable to the negative terminal. Tighten the hardware using a 3/8 and a 7/16 box wrench. Install the battery hold-down hardware from the top, lining up the bolts with the holes in the bottom of the battery box. Use 2 7/16 wrenches to tighten down the hardware. Next, reinstall the battery box cover and strap as shown. Add fuel to the tank. Use clean, fresh unleaded gasoline with a minimum of 87 octane. Make sure to only fill to just below the neck of the fuel tank. To start the machine, move the throttle lever all the way up to the choke position. Then turn the key to the start position. Once it is started, move the throttle down to the run position. Make sure the freewheel lever is in the disengaged position and the parking brake is off. Then using the hand controls, slowly drive the machine off of the base. Thank you for your time. We hope you found this video informational. For additional videos on operation, calibration, and service, visit our website under the FAQ section for equipment service and support or call us at 763-785-1000.